Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video for you. So I am actually heading over to my parents' house. The boys and I are going over there for just a fun day. It's Sunday as I'm filming this video and we just don't have a lot going on this afternoon, so we're heading over there. But I wanted to take you guys along with me because over on Instagram about a month ago, I had shared just a couple of pictures of my mom's fall decor one day, and I had several people reach out and say, can you please show us a home tour of her home and just the fall decor that she has out this year. So I'm going to be doing that today. She also decorates for Halloween, but it is very tastefully done, very kid friendly, so nothing gory, spooky, nothing like that. But I wanted to show you guys her fall decor and her Halloween decor as well, because Halloween is next week, so I figured what better time to show that than this week. Anyway, let's head over there now and I will show you all the things that she has going on for fall 2023. As you're first walking up to my parents' house, as you can see, they have lots of trees and beautiful fall leaves. Everything is starting to fall and turn, and I love it. So their home definitely feels very festive outside. I am going to show you guys what her front porch looks like. It is super cute. She does have it very kid-friendly for Halloween with different lights and pumpkins, and she also has little spiders and things like that. She did keep this very affordable. She said most of the things like the fake spider webs, the spiders, the ribbon, different things like that came from the Dollar Tree. So it's super cute. And then just for fun, she put up these spider lights for the boys, and of course they absolutely love them. This wreath on her door, I believe she purchased this at Home Goods, but she said that the sign in the middle and the spider attached to it are from the Dollar Tree. So it looks super cute, definitely festive, and this is something that you can do very affordably, obviously. Like I said, she just went to the Dollar Tree and got those pieces and attached to them. And then as far as these pillows that she has on the bench, those are actually pillow covers. I'm pretty sure that those came from Amazon. Anything that I can link that is hers in her home, I will have linked down below, so definitely check that description box if there's anything that you are curious about. And if I can't get a link to it, I will try to guide you in the right direction, so please leave a comment down below if you are curious about any of her items. But you guys will notice her home does have similar items to mine. We do have similar style, but still decorate a little bit differently. But I love the things that she does. It's super, super pretty, and I think you guys will love it. As far as her front door goes, I had to show you. So she obviously has this glass door in front, but her main door is wood, and it is stunning. This door has been here for many, many, many years, and at one point it was painted, and she stripped it down and stained it probably like 20 plus years ago. I didn't mention this, but this is actually the house that I grew up in. So my parents have lived here for many years, and this is where I grew up, so it's pretty neat. But I love this door. This has been just stained, like I said, and then she added that plaque from Hearth and Hand. But now let's go ahead and head on the inside. So when you first walk in her home, she just has more of a formal living room, and she has a console table here with some fall decor and also this little coat rack as well. This basket you guys probably recognize from my home. She has this as well and just has some greenery, florals, some fall florals on the inside. And then she has a basket on the floor that also has a wheat bundle and a wicker broom, which is super cute for Halloween. As far as the console table goes, so this table has been here for probably 25 years. I'm not even kidding. It's in mint condition, and she did decorate the top of this for fall and Halloween. It's super cute. So starting out for Halloween, she does have this lamp here, and she printed these bats off, I believe Amazon, and just stuck them on the inside. Super cute, especially with the flickering light. Definitely a cute little touch for Halloween. And then with the print that she has next to that, the print she ordered, I believe, off of Etsy and just placed it inside of a thrifted frame. Next to that, she has a large wicker basket. On the inside, she has a mini wreath from Hobby Lobby with a black metal jack-o'-lantern. Then it just has a battery-operated candle on the inside. She has a vase from Hearth and Hand with some yellow fall florals, which I think are beautiful, some black candles, and also some brass kind of golden looking candlesticks that she found at Home Goods. I had to show you guys what these candles look like lit. I think this area is just beautiful. Moving along in the rest of this room, she doesn't have a ton of fall decor on this side of the room, but she does have a little arrangement that I wanted to show you guys on this table. So this is just a black vase. I'm pretty sure she painted it. Most of the things in here are very crafty and DIY. She loves changing colors and all of that, but I'm pretty sure this vase she painted black, and then she just had some random fall greenery around and she stuck that in there, which I think it turned out super cute. And then on this side of the room on her coffee table, I think this is such a beautiful arrangement. She has a large wooden tray from Hearth and Hand, and then the rest of these items are either from Walmart or Hobby Lobby, I believe. As far as her couch goes, she does have a few fall colored pillows. So that coppery toned one is a pillow cover from Amazon, and then this fall leaf one is from Home Goods. She does have an end table next to this couch, and she does have another little fall arrangement over here. This is just a golden bowl that has some scallop detail on it with some potpourri on the inside. You guys probably recognize this from my home as well. And then she also has these little brass chargers. These also came from Home Goods, and I too have those in my home. She does have a little wall space over here, and again, another one of our things that we both share is this lattice piece. This is one of those window panes that I have in my home. She decided to paint hers black, and both of mine are just the stained wood version, but she just decided to hang this wreath up here. This wreath is from Amazon, and I think it is just beautiful. So this is what the formal family room looks like. Next, we are going to go into the main living room. This is where the boys play and things like that, and they have like their TV in there and whatnot. So it's more of a relaxing kind of get-together space. She did keep this very simple. On her end table in here, she just has an apple pumpkin candle from Walmart, and this is just next to another picture frame and a lamp. As far as her fireplace goes, she kept this very simple, but what is funny to me, and I want to point out to you guys, is clearly this is board and batten, and this was here for the last almost 30 years. So this is funny that it's just, you see the trends come back around. This board and batten has been here for decades, and now it's coming back, and it's very popular, so it's pretty funny to me. But as far as her fireplace mantle goes, she just has a floral arrangement with some pumpkins, mirror, candlesticks, things like that. And these florals are actually spray painted. She did that this year just to give it a new touch, and I think it's super pretty. And then this pumpkin, I believe either came from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. It just has a little light inside. The brass mirror has been there for decades also. And again, that's funny that that stuff is coming back in style. And then she has some candlesticks with a candle and then a picture of my niece. As far as her couch goes, she just has a couple of plaid pillows, and then on that end table she has another arrangement with some fall florals on the inside. Moving along, she does have one other chair, and this just has a few pillows on it. This first one here is a pillow cover from Amazon, perfect for fall. I love the colors in this. And then the other one, I believe, either came from Target or Walmart. My favorite room that she decorated for fall was her kitchen. So she does have another fireplace, which is super nice. I love how this looks, especially with the stained mantle and things like that. You guys know I have one of those on my fireplace as well, and I love it. But this area here is definitely my favorite in the kitchen. I think it is so pretty, and it has a bench here that she actually had made for her along with an arrangement. She also has candles, pillows, and then a basket underneath with some DIY pumpkins. As far as her fireplace goes, she does have a mirror here. This came from Kirkland's a couple of years ago. And then she has some wooden candlesticks with some battery operated candles. They kind of have like a little witch scene on them, which is super cute for Halloween. And then she found this vase at Home Goods and painted it, and it looks super pretty. Along with these stems, these I believe came from Amazon, and she spray painted them. They were originally green, but you would never know. They go perfect with her fall decor. And then she has these bats that are just kind of flying away throughout this little area, and I think it turned out super cute. She does have a bench next to her fireplace that is black, and she does have a few little pieces of fall decor on here as well. She has a throw blanket along with a pillow that has a pillow cover here. She also has a paper mache pumpkin from Hobby Lobby that she painted black and kind of put like the baking soda and like baby powder on there to kind of give it more of an aged look. And then she also has a planter that is also from Hobby Lobby with some leaves, and I'm pretty sure she spray painted these as well. Moving along to her dining room table. So this is super cute. She found this large basket and this tea towel from a vintage market this fall. And you guys know the love of the magnolia wreaths that we make. So she has a smaller one here inside of the basket with another one of those jack-o'-lanterns on the inside, which is super cute. And then next to that, she has more brass candlesticks with more candles, and then a little cake stand and another pumpkin candle. She did have her table made a few years ago. My uncle actually made it for her. She just ordered the legs from a company, and this table was like under $250 to make, and it does seat 8 people. So it was amazing price. I love this table. I always joke with her, telling her if she ever gets rid of it, I will gladly sell my dining room table and take this one from her, because I think it is just stunning. Definitely a very traditional kind of farmhouse feel, but I absolutely love it. moving along to her countertops in her kitchen. So I didn't share like her whole like cabinets and all of that simply because her and the boys were baking over here whenever I was filming. So I just wanted to get shots of her fall decor on the counter. So as you can see here, she does have a few like fall related canisters, some with candy in them. She does have a mercury glass candle warmer, which is super pretty. And then a wooden tray here with a fall arrangement that she made with her amber glass bottle of soap. And then on the opposite side, she has her kitchen canisters. She also has some pumpkin mugs on a little marble tray with her wooden salt and pepper shakers, which are super cute. And then last but not least, my favorite area is this little vignette here in the corner. I think it is stunning. It is my absolute favorite in her whole house. So as far as this goes, she just layered in some pieces. She has a black tray that she DIY'd with some brass handles on there. She also laid down a wicker charger with some stacked plates, a black planter with some fall florals on the inside from Hobby Lobby. This little pair here, I believe, was a clearance find, and she painted it black and used the rub and buff on there. And then she found this little picture at Hobby Lobby, and I love it. Alright you guys, that is all for today's video. Let me know down in the comments what was your favorite room in her home. She has so many pretty pieces that are great staples. I personally love her console table when you first walk into the house. I also love her fireplace in her kitchen. Love that. She has lots of pretty things. Her centerpiece on her dining room table, just so many neat things. She is very crafty, and that's probably where I get it from, I would say. She's also very thrifty and whatnot as well. So we have a lot of fun coming up with ideas for each of our homes and decorating and things like that. And we have a lot of fun shopping together as well. So I wanted to take you guys along with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. I would love to have you, and stay tuned for more content coming from me. Bye guys.